Alright, so this is lesson 12 problem set for module 2. And so we need to make a simple math drawing, cross out 10 ones, or the other part, in order to show what happens in the stories. So the first one, they did a little bit of it for us. So we're going to come in here and we're going to read it first. Okay, so Bill has 16 grapes, 10 are on one vine, and 6 are on the ground. Bill eats 9 grapes from the vine. How many grapes does Bill have left? So I'm going to come in here, and I'm going to circle my numbers just like normal. And then we're going to dig in and see how they relate these numbers to our number bond down here. So this is going to go with our drawing, okay? So we have 16 grapes. That is how many grapes we have total. So that is going to go right there in the hole. And then we have 10 that are on one vine and 6 that are on the ground. So the 10 that are on the one vine are right here, and the 6 that are on the ground are right here. So of those 16 grapes, 10 are here and 6 are here. Now, we need to figure out, after 9 grapes are eaten, how many grapes are left. So they went ahead and took the 9 grapes from our 10. Now I want you to think about that, because if we look down here, we don't have enough grapes to be able to take 9 away. So that's why we always have to take from the 10. So the 10 makes it nice and easy, because 10 minus 9 equals 1 every time. Now, we don't want to forget about these grapes down here, so we want to count all the grapes that are left. So we have all of these grapes that are left. So we have 6 grapes, just like right here, and then 1 grape left over from there. So we have 6 plus 1 equals 7. So Bill has 7 grapes left. Moving on to number 2, we have 12 frogs are in the pond, 10 are on a lily pad, and 2 are in the water. 9 frogs hop off the lily pad and out of the pond. How many frogs are in the pond? Okay, so once again, what we want to do is we want to come in here, we want to circle our numbers, and then we want to do our math drawing. Now we're going to do our math drawing a little bit different than what they do up here. We're going to use our 10 frame, just like we've been doing. So we've got our 10 and our 2. Now remember, the 12 is our whole, because that's how many frogs there are total. Then 10 of them are on a lily pad, and 2 of them are in the water. So we want to take care of this first, and then we can find the frogs that hop off, okay? So let's go ahead and do our drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then I need to match this as well. 1, 2. Now obviously we're not going to be able to subtract 9 from 2, so we're going to have to subtract it from here, and then circle what we have left. So I'd like you to go ahead and subtract the 9 from up here, circle what you have left, and fill in the number, the sentence down here. Moving on to number 3, Kim has 14 stickers. 10 stickers are on the first page, and 4 stickers are on the second page. So we have 14 stickers total. 10 stickers are on page 1, 4 stickers are on page 2. All right, so Kim loses 9 stickers from the first page, which had 10, okay? So how many stickers are still in her book? So what I want you to do is I want you to circle your numbers. We need to remember that these numbers up here are the numbers that are in our number bond. Next, what I need you to do is draw out your 10 and draw out your 4. Then we need to subtract 9. So I'm going to leave it up to you as to where you subtract it from. It should be pretty obvious once you get these drawn out, okay? Then I want you to fill in this sentence right here. All right, so 10 eggs are in a carton and 5 eggs are in a bowl. Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. How many eggs are left? This one is just slightly different because they didn't give us our whole, okay? They just say that we have 10 eggs that are in a carton, 5 eggs that are in a bowl, and Joe's father cooks 9 eggs from the carton. So 9 of these eggs get cooked from the carton, okay? So how many eggs are left? So what we need to do first is we need to find what our whole is. So let's go ahead and think about this because we have 10 and 5. Now, if we didn't know that 10 plus 5 is 15, we can draw this out and count it all up. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know that 15 eggs are over here. And now you can take the 9 and subtract it. And then, of course, fill this out. Jana had 10 wrapped gifts on the table and 7 wrapped gifts on the floor. She wrapped 9 gifts from the table. How many gifts are still wrapped? So once again, they did not give us our whole, just like the problem up here, but they also did not fill in the parts as well. So we have our parts right here. We have a 10 and a 7. And from there, we would do our drawing just like up here. So you would draw here and then figure out what goes in your hole. Then you can do your subtraction because she unwrapped 9 of them, so of course that's 9 less, and then fill this out right here. All right, last one. There are 10 cupcakes on a tray and 8 on a table. On the tray there are 9 vanilla cupcakes, and the rest of the cupcakes are chocolate. How many cupcakes are chocolate? So this is subtraction once again. We need to figure out what our parts are, draw them out, find the whole, and then subtract our 9, because if 9 of them are vanilla, the rest of them have to be chocolate, okay? So there are blank chocolate cupcakes.